155, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Clark, Marathon, and Wood. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hold on.
Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wood County and central Wisconsin, central Portage County and central Wisconsin, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Babcock, or 8 miles west of Wisconsin Rapids, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wisconsin Rapids around 1:45 p.m. Lake Wazeecha around 1:50 p.m. Stevens Point and Whiting around 2:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Park Ridge, Coddington, Walker, Dexterville, Meehan, Rudolph, Port Edwards, Kellner, Keene, and Nakusa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: Wood, Wisconsin. Indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Amherst around 2:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Smith Corner, Coddington, Scandinavia, Nelsonville, Clover, Simcoe, Custer, and Manawa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Portage and Waupaca. Severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calumet County, northern Winnebago County, northeastern Washington County, central Waupaca County, Onondaga County, eastern Shawano County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Clintonville to Fremont to near Red Granite, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour.
Where's the TV?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New London, Fremont, and Lakewood around 2:50 p.m. Appleton, Menasha, Black Creek, and northern Lake Winnebago around Little Kimberly, and central Lake Winnebago around 3:16 p.m. Kaukauna and Darboy around 3:20 p.m. High Cliff State Park around 25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include McDill, Lehman, Butte d'Amour, Larson, Northport, Sugarbush, Oragula, Rose Lawn, Freedom, and Rose Lawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Calumet, Onondaga, Shawano, Waupaca, Washington, and Winnebago.
Dude, come on. What the fuck?
Northern LaCrosse County, southeastern Trempealeau County, until 4 p.m. 3:21. Thunderstorm was located near Dakota, or 9 miles northwest of Lug Crescent, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Howman, Dakota, and Bryce Prairie around 3:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Camp Decorah, Stevenstown, Council Bay, New Hartford, County Roads M and West, Mindoro Cut, and Dressbach. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 263 and 275. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on the Mississippi River, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin. Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Crawford County in southwestern Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Lafarge to 11 miles northwest of Boscobel, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Richland Center around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Oregon Ridge, Eagle Corners, Highway 80 and County CC, Woodstock, Bloom City, Gillingham, and Neptune. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Crawford, Richland, and Vernon.